Hey out there in Watchland, I'm JD. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Please hit like. I'm just going to rotate this watch around a little tiny bit so you can see it before we start having a bit of a chat about this amazingly good looking watch for the price. There's the movement there, and this is not a bad piece of watch, let me tell you. So you can see from the front end of this watch that it is a Seiko 5. So the Seiko 5, it is the SNK615K1. 615K1. So this is a silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel bracelet, and it has a fixed silver toned bezel. As you can see, this bezel is just fixed on the top. So it is a gorgeous, gorgeous watch. It has minute markers around the outer rim, which is kind of neat. The dial type is analog. It's a luminescent hands and markers. And at the 3 o'clock position, it shows the day of the week and the date. This, again, is a 7S26 automatic movement, fully automatic. It's got a 40-hour power reserve. It's scratch-resistant hardlex crystal. This is your atypical Seiko hardlex crystal. And it has a pull-push crown, skeleton case back. Let's have a look at that really quickly here. This is the skeleton case back with a viewing window showing the 7S26 movement on the back and saying Seiko stainless steel, water resistant, I believe to 100 meters. And it's got a very nice integrated strap. This is what brings this watch out as a very nice and very inexpensive luxury watch. The case size is 38 millimeters. The thickness is 11 millimeters. As you can see, it's not that thick. There it is there. The band width is 20 millimeters. It's got a fold-over clasp. It has 100 feet water resistance. That's 30 meters. 100 feet, 30 meters. It's a casual style watch. It is made in Japan, and it's got a blue dial stainless steel, and it is gorgeous. And I love the seconds marker here. Is the seconds hand is yellow, and I just love that. And as well, the indices showing the minute from 05 up to 60 are also yellow. It's got pretty good luminescent. And if you look at the crown here, it's kind of pushed in a bit, and we flip that around a bit, and you can see that the crown is kind of embedded. It's an embedded crown. It's got your atypical screw back case, stainless steel. The actual strap is not too bad, even though it's nothing great to write home about, as they say. And you can see there's a lot of movement on that strap, but it looks very good on the wrist. And the strap does not have screw-in pins. It has cotter pins. So if replacing one of the strap links, you'd have to punch out the cotter pin to do that. So that does not have a very nice screw-in links. One thing that is nice is you see the holes here, so you can basically push out the spring bar, which is nice. It's very easy to remove the spring bar on this, and you might be able to find another strap for this that would be a little bit higher end. As well, it's not a machine clasp. It's a punched or punch down clasp. So printed clasp. So they just take those things and they put 1 billion pounds of pressure and they punch these clasps. So nothing high end here, but still very serviceable. It's got the Seiko branding here on the clasp, which is nice. And of course you can see the movement through the window, which is also nice. And it's ticking away nicely. It is water resistant, and it is not a bad piece. So what I really like about this, though, is the look. You gotta admit, this thing looks sharp, and on the wrist it looks super sharp. It looks a very classy watch. So I believe you can pick these things up for about $100 US or $110 US, and these are vintage. I think circa, I want to say 2006, maybe 2007. So they're not new. They're not a new Seiko 5 brand, but they're very nice. So this on reviews a long time ago was one of the 10 watches that you should own. So not sure where it stands now, but it looks like a very nice watch, and I just had to do a very quick review on this. So thank you for watching my channel. I'm JD. Please hit like, please subscribe. It actually helps my channel a lot, and it helps me do watch repair videos and watch reviews. So there you go. There's a Seiko 5. That is a Seiko 5 SNK615K1 men's luxury watch.